Morning, dear children. So, today we will see the mental maths. Okay, like in the previous class, you learned a simple method for carrying out certain types of additions mentally. So, like let's do to add a 9. Suppose you'll have to add 9 with with any number. To add 9, first you add 10 and then subtract 1 from that number. Okay, that means to find 149 plus 9, how will you do this? 149 plus 9. So the equation is number 1, 149 plus 9 equals how much? So this one you'll have to do mentally. So how will you do? First of all, you'll have to do add 10. After that, with that result you subtract 1. That means what? Mentally, if I do 149 plus 10, 149 plus 10 equals how much? It is 159. Then what it has said? Then subtract 1. Subtract 1. Then how much it will come? 158. Okay, so this is the answer. Like this way you'll have to do. Okay, here as it has given here. Okay. Next, to add 8. To add 8, here you'll have to do like this way. Okay, add 10 and then subtract 2 from that number. Okay, so how will you do this? Like it has given 2137 plus 8 is equals how much? Okay, so here what you need to do is, first of all you'll have to add 10, then you'll have to subtract 2. Then let us do 2137 plus 10. How much it is? 2147. Okay, then what it has said? Minus 2. Then I will do minus 2. Then how much it is coming? So it will come 2145. So this is the answer. So first you will have to do add 10, after that you'll have to minus 2. So this is the mental math. So this way you'll have to do. Next is to add 19. First add 20, then subtract 1. Yes, it is also the same way. So to find 158 plus 19, it has given 158 plus 19 equals how much? So what it has said? First to add 20. So I will add 20 with this. 158 plus 20 equals, it is coming how much? 1, 5 plus 2 is equals 7 and 8. 178. After that it has said minus 1. I will do now minus 1. So how much it is coming? 177. So this is the answer. Like this way I'll have to do the mental maths. Okay, so this is how, even for, yeah, so this is 177. Next is again to add 18. First add 20, then subtract 2. Okay, then subtract 2 from that result. So you'll have to do like this. So what? 2147 plus 18. 2147 plus 18, how much it is coming? So what you need to do? What? 2147 plus 20 you'll have to do add first. That means it will be 214 plus 2 is equals 6, then 7. Then what it has said? Minus 2 you need to do. So how will it come? 216, 7 minus 2 is equals 5. So this is the answer. Like this way you'll have to do the mental maths. Okay, it's very simple. Process is same for everyone. Okay, now work out mentally. Here if you see 149 plus 9, so what will you do? This is number A. Okay, 149 plus 9 is equals how much? So what you need to do? 149 plus 10. First you do, then how much it will come? 159. Then you do minus 1. Okay, then how much it will come? 158. So like how? So first you add 10, after that you subtract 1 from that. Okay, same way number B is also there. Okay, number C is also there. So like how you'll have to do. Here it has 9, here it is 10, here it is 8. Okay, so here I will show you one more, like 2833 plus 8 it has given. Okay, number, that is, this is number E. So in number E it has given 2833 plus 8. How much? So what do you do? 2833 plus 10 you do first. How much it is coming? 2843. Okay, it is coming. After that you do minus 2. That means it will be 2841. So this is the answer. So first we will do add 10, after that we will subtract 2. So how the result will come? So like you do in the same way. Okay, even for this one I am giving you one example. 1238 plus 7 you'll have to do. So what you do is, first you add 10 with this. Okay, after that you subtract 3 from that. Okay, so this is how you'll have to do. So everywhere, suppose like I will do number I. Okay, I will take number I. So what it is given in number I? Number I, it is 1117 plus 17 equals how much? So in the same way you do 1117 plus 20 you do first. Okay, first you do 20 add with this. So that means 1 1, 2 plus 1 is equals 3, and 0 plus 7 is equals 7. So after that you do 17 plus 3 is equals 20. So you do minus 3 here. So if you do minus 3 here, then 1 1 3, 7 minus 3 is equals 4. So this is the answer. First you add 20, after that you deduct 3 from here. Okay, so this is how you'll have to perform the job. So this is also I have shown. So all other things you do practice at your home. Okay, now work this out mentally. This one also you'll have to do. So 82 plus 8. So if you need to do add this one, what you do? 82 plus 10 you do first. Okay, number 2a. What is the equation? It is 82 plus 8. 82 plus 8 equals how much? So what do you need to do? 82 plus, it is 8, so nearer it I will take 10. Okay, so 82 plus 10, it is 92. This is the first. After that 8 plus 2 is equals 10. So 2 we had added here more. So what do you need to do? 92 minus 2 you'll have to do. So how much it will come? 92 minus 2, it will be 90. Fine. So this is how you'll have to do. Okay, next it is the same way, like 53 plus 47 also has given here. So 53 plus 47, I will do number F. Okay, in number F it is given 53 plus 47. 53 plus 47, how much will be the answer? So what do you do? As it is 47 nearer to 50, so I will do 53 plus 47 though. So I will take 50 here. So how much it is coming? 3. 5 plus 5 is equals 10. So 103 is the answer. After that what you do? 47 nearer to 50, it was 3 more that we had added. So I will deduct 3. So that means it will be 100. So this 50 I have added first, after that I deducted this 3. So it is 100. So this is how you'll have to perform this one. So like how I have shown you. So in the same manner you do 80 plus 30 is equals 110. It is 110, and this is the same way you'll have to do, just 399. So all the maths you'll have to do in this way. So this is the mental maths. Okay, so what you do, all these chapters, all these maths you do very sincerely at your home. Okay, like the steps I have given, always what you do, if it is 9, okay, then you'll have to go for 10, nearer to 10. It is 8, then also you'll have to go for 10. Now here I have done one thing, that is 47, so I have taken here 50. Okay, like how you'll have to do, always you'll have to take the nearer number to that, and after that you just deduct how much more you have added with that. That is it. Okay, just that's it I'll have to do. So once this is done, we will go for the subtraction. Okay, in the chapter 3 we will see in the next class. Okay, till then you do this much at your home. Have a great day.